everyone, you're welcome to Flookiesden. My name is Afolake and nice to have you join me on today's vlog. If you're new to my channel or seeing this beautiful face for the very first time, do hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any vlog that I post, which I do every week. I'm filming from Saskatoon in Saskatchewan, Canada. I still struggle pronouncing that name, but I'm filming from Saskatchewan in Canada. And it's been a wonderful journey for me also as an immigrant. So you can learn from my experiences and those that I have to share from others as well. And on this channel, I share content that help new immigrants and those that are outbound find their footing in a new land, help them settle easily, faster and seamless by the things I share and the things that I find useful that I just vlog around the city and from other people's experiences. So do hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any vlog. So guys, this is another part of me coming out today. Guess what? I'm unboxing my accent chair for my living room, and because I've been searching for what is appropriate, in fact the interior designer in me will not give up, but well, let's keep going on. My desire to find an accent chair for my sitting room and also on a budget was always a hurdle. And I've been searching, looking for something that is appropriate for the space that I have. Personally, I don't rush to do things, especially when I know I want something really dainty, finicky, tasteful in my space. So I search until I find. So finally I found this accent chair. I'm sitting on it right now. It's so beautiful. I got it from Wayfair. I'm going to show you how I unboxed it and I put it together. It was so simple and easy to do it. I did it all by myself, guys. In fact, nobody was at home when the furniture came, and it was just so easy for me. Had I known that it was just going to be so cutie and cool, I would have gotten two. I did measure it from the dimensions I found online, but you know, sometimes it looked so, I was looking at the space where I wanted to put it and I felt, or maybe just toss one in my bedroom. But let me ask Hobby because he's the one that will say yes or no. So guys, this is me as an interior designer on today's vlog. So just enjoy it. I'm going to show you how I unboxed my sofa, how I put it together, how I coordinated it with my living room. I hope I can find the before picture, but I've actually taken videos from my sitting room before, show you what I had before, because I also had to change my throw cushions and then toss one or two things around to be able to make sure that everything is in sync. The theme of this living room is actually burnt orange, which I accentuate by my flowers or my picture frames, and then my throws, that's my blankets in my living room. Then I have a touch of blue. The blue is very faint, so I only just always will have one throw pillow of blue that just pops out because I have it on my center rug. I also have burnt orange on my center rug. I have a tone of black on my center rug, and I have white. So I have white throw cushions. I have orange, which is the predominant color, but I actually wanted the accent chair to be orange, but I didn't find one that was subtle enough because I didn't want something bold. For me, when I design a space, I look at something that I can easily throw out of the picture. For instance, if I decide to change my theme for my living room from orange to green, for instance, it must be able to settle well here without me changing my sofas, without me doing a whole lot of expense trying to throw things away. What I usually would do is, in the accent things that I have, which will be throw cushions, I will just get pillow covers for my cushions that would give me that tone or that design option that I'm looking for. My blankets would also be one thing that I would change, put some flowers here and there. But for space, I still have one or two things I want to do, but let's see how I go around, because I know my people always scream at home that, "Mom, you've come again. You're trying to do this." I really love, I can't say that enough. When I design my space also, I really love abstract art, and that helps me to put things not in the real form of the picture itself, and just gives a different dimension or dynamics to what that picture looks like. That's why on my wall I have an abstract painting there with the orange. It has a shade of gray or tan that also blends with my sofa, and then a part of the rug as well. My main sofa is dark, not too dark gray, but it's gray, and it also picked from the background of the um abstract art on the wall. It's actually three frames. I need to replace one of the frames because it got broken, but the painting I have already, so I'm going to do that soon. I've been procrastinating on that. So that's what my abstract thing. Of course, my artifacts that I have on my TV area, it's so beautiful. I love them. It's just, I got this from China when I traveled at some point in 2019, and it's just a beautiful piece, really beautiful. And because my family is also a musical family, I also had these pieces. There are about five of them. I'm going to show you each one of them, what they look like the guitarist, the keyboardist, the what's it called, the trumpet, and another one blowing the saxophone or the drum set. And then there are five actually. So I'm going to show you what those looks like. So that's what I have in my living room for abstract. Then of course on my coffee table I have a palette that I have where I put the balls, and a little something that looks like a, I don't know what to call it, but um I got it off Value Village, and even the flower there, I got it off Value Village. So there's so much that I think for interior design you can actually get to do with very little expense. I say this for as many that care to listen. Um, Value Village, you can still pick one or two items, even on Marketplace or on Kijiji. There are people that sell off their thrift of designs or interior. It could be geometrical designs. I bought a few too, but I'm trying to coordinate how to display them in the sitting room. But they are so nice, and I feel that we can save money by going there first, pick a few things. The other time I went to Value Village with a friend, she wanted to just a few things to spice up her living room, her bedroom. So we went and we just looked at those pieces. If you see the video, we were just trying to coordinate one or two accent pieces to decorate her space. She already had the floating shelves, and I just was looking for something that would work, really simple but tasteful. And we got a few things really nice, really, really nice. Sometimes when I also go around, I see some things really dainty. I don't have a picture of where I want to use it, but guess what? I will definitely find. So I buy and I keep, and eventually I will find how to use. And also for me, I also like changing the theme and changing how a place looks. So for instance, I can remove one or two things of my accent designs and then replace with something else just for a period of time, for me to have something fresh, something different, and something that looks really good. So that's the theme of my living room. I can change the color as I choose. My accent chair, that's why I picked this very mature color, which is beige, and it gives me the luxury of me coordinating with various other colors. The beige goes so much with all the color scheme that I have here, and if I choose to change it to other colors, it would definitely work. Did I tell you that I also have green in my sitting room just to represent nature, which really doesn't coordinate with anything but just in a little bit of flower. And then one of my throw cushions, one of my blankets on the sofa is also green. What else do I have? I also have mustard color. Mustard is also a timeless piece. When you have colors that are not so bright, it's easy for you to coordinate it. So for the mustard color, I just use it to spice up. I have another blanket that I threw across one of my gray sofa. It has a bit of like green, very faint green, very faint mustard, and then very faint white color. So that's the combination of the piece that I have in my living room. And of course, I have a tone of silver and gold as well in my sitting room. So that's why the legs of my accent chair is gold, I have gold represented on my palette, but silver, I have my standing lamp as silver. I have some tasteful silver things going on. For the balls in the black, I have a lamp stand or a table lamp that is black. That's why the balls are also black. Of course, I have my TV stand and TV that is black. And the table, my coffee table, is also black. So those are the black stuff that I have around here. I really love my sitting room. So I'm going to show you around to see what it looks like. When I go around stores, especially interior design stores, I guess I can speak on some items that I find and tell you how you can best use these items in your home. They can be very, very inexpensive, but sometimes how to place it for you to get that very design look is what is most important, because sometimes if you place it wrongly, you don't have that item popping out of the space where you put it. It can be very inexpensive because you don't have to spend so much on interior design. Yes, you can if you can afford it, but you can have a simple design and then have a beautiful home. That's where I am coming from, in the perspective of a new immigrant that is settling down. You want a beautiful home and you don't have to break the bank to do that. So that's the style I'm trying to bring into settling as well here in Canada. Look at those options and try them out. Toss things here and there, move things here and there, and see how they best fit. And obviously you'll be able to have a good space, whether your sitting room, your living room, your dining, your kitchen, your bathroom, your anywhere in your room, in your home would definitely work so well. Thank you so much for watching to this very moment. If you are yet to subscribe, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any video that I share. Thank you so much, guys. I hope to see you in another vlog. Bye, everyone.